एक तो गलती कर रहे हो, ऊपर से माफी भी नहीं मांग रहे हो. If you happen to know this person ना, just tag them and let them know.
Fuck it. Try again tomorrow.
Feeling left out is the worst feeling ever. I like how the bus says houseful. Well, you are. You actually are. Nicely getting marinated with this beautiful dust. देश की मिट्टी. Getting filled with patriotism. अरे एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन.
मेरा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर बहुत अच्छा है, आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा.
Did he just what? Did he literally did he literally just make his cycle stand like that and just adjusted himself in the middle of the road, in the middle of the traffic? Wow. Hey, what? That was the Dr. Mayhem color. I need to catch up. I genuinely need to catch up. Usually I don't behave like a squid, but he's not that far. Okay, that exhaust is too loud for my liking, but okay. Yeah, he won't go anywhere. There's a lot of traffic helping me around. Those are SS Motocorp, sorry. Yeah, those are the SS Motocorp exhausts. These are without the baffles. Go ahead.
Hello there.
Subscriber. Are these the SNS?
अबे
SS Motocorp, right? Good sounding. Sorry? Yeah, I do.
You're the one who puts memes and all.
Yeah. I'm the one. I'm the one that puts memes and all in my videos. I mean, it's to be very honest, it's too loud for my liking, but it's a good sounding exhaust. Sorry about that. I always get confused with SS Motocorp and SNS exhaust.
Love your YouTube videos.
Sorry?
Love your videos.
Thank you, man. Thank you. What's your name? What's your name?
Go.
This is the BS4. This is the BS4.
Yeah.
BS6. I like how you were just he was just peeping in and then very cutely looking at traffic oncoming. Oh man, that was adorable. You almost look like Johnny Depp. I am recording. Oh there's fog on my lens, god damn it. Why does there always have to be fog when I'm interacting with another Continental GT on the road? I mean, I guess it's only because of the heat, maybe, more probably. I know, man, it's the hotness in the frames that it fogs up everything. It's smoking hot, that is why. Dumb hot. What do I say? The classic trademark design. Undercut hairstyle, slippers, short pants, and a Dio. And of course, how did I forget? No helmet. For sure, that's like the basis of this religion. Oh! He has the helmet. It's just that it is on the floorboard, where his brain is. Okay, I'm being rude for no reason.
कंधों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब।
If you come so far, just may as well leave, dude. What's the point of doing this? राज पलट के मत देख यार.
भाई साहब ये किस लाइन में आ गए आप?
अरे आगे जाओ या तो पीछे आओ यार. आगे जाओ या तो पीछे आओ. रेड में इधर बीच में आके रुक गए हो. अरे इधर रेड ग्रीन था यार.
कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर.
यार कहाँ से आते हैं पता नहीं. Okay, in the middle of a fucking signal you stand and then stay there. Such like it's hilarious how a bunch of fucking morons, dude. Like it sometimes gets to me, but sometimes it's just nothing short of hilarious, man. Seriously, like how all of these idiots in combination make life so difficult. Like they beautifully collaborate with each other and create this such amazing out of everything.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
Hey, another interceptor. Sweet. I mean, whenever I'm having such a shitty experience on the road, I'm greeted with such beauty. Good ride. Thank you. Kind gentleman. I don't know why he did that, but sure. Some people are just so generous. I don't know why and how, and it's a really good thing. I'm not complaining at all. The guy restored my faith in humanity. Is that the hunter? Yeah, it looks like the hunter. Oh, it is the hunter, and this is the grey one. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Firstly, it's very tiny. It doesn't feel like a Royal Enfield, and that's a compliment. It's like very less management to be done on this one. Beautiful looking bike. Nice bike, bro. Lovely bike.
हमने अपना काम कर दिया, अब आप अपना काम करके दिखाओ. आपकी पावर है, तो जो भी प्रोसीजर करने आप प्रोसीजर करा के अब आप करा के दिखाओ ना, जैसे हमने करा के दिखा दिया.
I'm not gonna make it. There's no point trying also. Why are these guys even honking for no reason? Like you're already late, dude. Why the f do you have to honk like that? What the f is it? If you hit me a little bit now, I'm gonna be pissed as f. अरे क्या घाई है आपको सर? आपको कहाँ जाना है? रेड लाइट दिख रहा है ना आपको ये यहाँ से? क्या? क्यों आगे लूँ बताओ? रुको रुको, इधर ठोक के जा रहे हो यार. इधर स्क्रैच लगा दिया आपने मेरे डिस्क को.
थोड़ा सा डिक्की का लगा, उसको लगा.
अरे उसमें क्या, आपके लिए आपकी बाइक इतनी वैल्यूएबल नहीं है, मेरे लिए है. आप एक तो फैमिली लेके जा रहे हो, थोड़ा तो ये करो यार, ढंग से चलाओ थोड़ा. एक तो गलती कर रहे हो, ऊपर से माफी भी नहीं मांग रहे हो. सॉरी तो बोलो एक बार.
खत्म.
Fucking irritating as dude, seriously. And they don't value their own bikes, and we do it. They are being naive like that. Arey, why are you so petty about such things? I fucking saved my ass off to earn this bike. I just casually dismiss as if it's some petty tantrum that I'm throwing. Hell. I'm fucking done with this traffic, dude. Seriously. Thankfully, he hasn't done any damage. Fucking hell. Fucking ruins the mood, dude. Seriously. And I hate the fact that he just said sorry just for the heck of it. And he did not mean even 1% of it. 1% of it. Why is it so fucking difficult for you to fucking ride sanely a little bit? Why? And you have nowhere to go. It's literally red over there. I'm not gonna fucking care blurring this guy's soul's face. If you happen to know this person now, just tag them and let them know what kind of a fucking asshole he is.
शांत गदाधारी भीम शांत.
Thankfully, he hasn't done any damage to my exhaust, any more damage to my exhaust pipe, which already was scratched. But there was hardly anything I can do. These guys are not apologetic about it, neither are they. Like, what am I going to do with it? And I've seen different contrast of comments on my this thing. I'll maybe talk about this during the day because there's hardly anything you guys can see probably here, but I may forget most probably. So there's a huge contrast of comments, of the kind of comments I get in such kind of situations. Like, there's one section of people who are like, why did you even let him go? You should have held him accountable. You should have made him pay for it and everything. And there's another end of the spectrum where people say, dude, why are you being so petty? It's just a scratch. And he's also being apologetic about it. Not this guy, but any others that I've had such incidents with. He's being apologetic. Why do you have to be so rude to him and everything? Dude, firstly, to address the first issue, I am letting them go because I don't have the fucking time to deal with all of that, and I don't want to spend my energy doing all of that. Secondly, to the other end of the to the other argument, this is my possession. I own this, and I have the right to damage this. Not any random fucking Tom, Dick, Harry on the road who has done nothing to contribute to my life or this bike, right? So I can do all the damage I want. I can fucking drop this bike. I can crash it into something and damage it. I will own up to it, not some random dude in the traffic, right? So if one does damage to me, I am going to react, and I'm going to react however the fuck I want to, as long as I'm not causing damage to them, which I'm clearly not, right? So I've got full right to be fucking mad, right? Where are you planning to go, buddy? Which indicator, bhai? Switching on the hazard lights and trying to turn. Oh man, I'm encountering such different array of idiots today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or whenever the I decide to upload a video. Bye bye.
Bonus.
Yeah, sweet. हाय बोलो हाय. हाय बोलो हाय हाय. हाय बोलो हाय. वेरी गुड. ये जो आपने मस्त थूकने की हरकत की है ना, मज़ा ही आ गया. मतलब क्या नज़ाकत से थूका है. इंडिया विल बी अ सुपर पावर. इंडिया विल बी अ सुपर पावर. अरे पहले थूकना बंद करो, तब इंडिया बनेगी सुपर पावर.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara